How to start living in the present moment. We often hear people talk about the importance of living in the moment and the different ways it will benefit us. It all sounds wonderful, especially the lower levels of stress and anxiety. But how exactly can we live in the present when our mind is constantly worrying about the past or planning for the future? In this video, we will discuss some of the benefits of learning how to live in the moment you may not be aware of. Then, we will look at some of the obstacles and why we worry. Finally, and most importantly, I will show you how to live in the moment and stop worrying using some simple practices that you can easily incorporate into your busy schedule. The Wisdom Box is a place where you can find answers to all of your questions. We will learn some tools and approaches to help us improve our abilities at the Wisdom Box. If you are interested in learning life skills, please subscribe and like this channel. Every Sunday, we will release a mini module to teach you a new skill. 1. Focus on now. To live in the moment, you must concentrate on the present. Concentrate on what you are doing. Turn off the TV and the computer, slow down, and enjoy the moment. Living in the present moment by practicing mindfulness reduces stress, strengthens your immune system, lowers blood pressure, and has other physical and mental benefits. Mindful people are said to be more secure, have higher self esteem, and are happier. Savoring and relishing life in the moment, whether it's eating a meal, drinking a cup of coffee, or walking to the store, elicits happiness and other positive emotions, according to author of The How of Happiness. 2. Smile. Take a look in the mirror and smile if you want to learn how to live in the moment. Smiling can have an effect on how you feel. According to Scientific American Mind magazine, making an emotional face influences how we feel. According to the magazine, there is an association in our minds between how we feel and how we react. We smile when we are happy. We feel happier when we smile. Our facial expressions convey our emotional state to both others and ourselves. So smile, it will make you happier and allow you to appreciate life in the present moment. 3. Sit there instead of doing something. It takes effort to live a consistently mindful life. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is simple. When people set the goal of being mindful for the next 20 minutes or the next 2 weeks, they think mindfulness is difficult because they have the wrong yardstick, says Jay Winner, a family physician in California and author of Take the Stress Out of Your Life. The proper yardstick is only for this moment. According to Kabat-Zinn, mindfulness is the only intentional, systematic activity that is not about trying to improve yourself or get anywhere else. It is simply a matter of becoming aware of where you already are. The following cartoon from the New Yorker summarizes the situation. 2 monks are meditating side by side. The younger one is giving the older one a quizzical look, to which the older one responds, "Nothing happens next." This is it. 4. Fully appreciate the moments of today. Soak in as much of today as you possibly can, the sights, the sounds, the smells, the emotions, the triumph, and the sorrow. These are in our daily lives, but we often forget to take them in and truly appreciate them. Mindfulness meditation is the mainstay of developing mindfulness and living in the moment. To know more about mindfulness, please refer to our video, How to Improve Your Concentration. Please leave a comment below to let us know if you'd like us to make another video on a specific life skill or if you'd like us to make another tool to help you develop this talent. 5. Forgive past hurts. We don't want to be in or remember unpleasant situations from the past. They can elicit painful emotions that we do not want to feel. So, how do the majority of people deal with painful emotions? By doing everything we can to avoid them, we can transport our minds to a more pleasant place and time. Food, alcohol, or sex are some of the things that people turn to when they want to feel good. Others will consume substances that will make their minds dull and prevent them from thinking about unpleasant or stressful situations. If you are holding grudges against another person because of past wrongs, choose to forgive and move on. The harm was their fault, but allowing it to impact your mood today is yours. Let go and choose to be present in the moment instead. 6. Dream about the future, but work hard today. Dream big. Set goals and plans for the future. But working hard today is always the first step towards realizing your dreams tomorrow. Don't allow dreaming about tomorrow to replace living in the moment. Dreaming about the future is only productive when combined with action taken today. Make a list of all the things you want to do, including exercise, personal time, family time, reaching, yoga, etc. Take a look and make sure it reflects your desires for self-care. If you did these things, would you feel calmer and happier? If so, add them to your calendar and prioritize them. 7. Don't dwell on past accomplishments. If you dwell so much in the past, you can never live in the present. If you do not live in the present, you will never see into the future. If you don't see into the future, you can never live your dream. Many times we dwell so much in the past. We dwell so much on past victories just as we dwell on past failures. The truth of the matter is that the past, though had existed, but at the moment is gone. Don't let what you failed to achieve or sustain stop you from trying out new things. If you are still talking about what you did yesterday, you haven't done much today. There is still plenty of time to build upon past successes and create more memories and achievements for future you. In the future, you'll be cherishing the memories of today. You can refer the link in description to watch another video on how to develop positive mindset. 8. Stop worrying. You can't fully appreciate today if you are preoccupied with tomorrow. Recognize that tomorrow will come whether you like it or not. And, because worrying has never helped anyone, redirect your mental energy elsewhere. It's more difficult than it sounds, but remember that worrying today will not change what happens tomorrow. Every second you spend worrying about the future is a second of the present that you are wasting. It is impossible to live in the moment and worry at the same time because worrying takes you out of the present moment and transports you into the realm of future possibilities. Instead, if your circumstances are troubling, concentrate on how you can solve an existing problem or otherwise improve the current situation. Spending time worrying about what might happen later deprives you of fully experiencing what is happening right now. Life moves quickly in the present. Don't miss it. 9. Conquer addictions. Addictions in your life hold you hostage. They keep you from living a completely free life and removes your focus from the moment. Find some help. Take the steps. You have greater control over your mind, body, and emotions when you are living in the moment. Imagine how much better your life would be if it weren't at the mercy of a racing mind and unpredictable emotions. And remove their influence over your life. Allow yourself to live in the moment addiction-free. Learning how to live in the present moment is an essential ingredient in a happy life. If you are interested in learning life skills, please subscribe and like this channel and also share to loved ones.